Guys, I just discovered this free $30 no deposit bonus, and as you can see, this is it right here on my screen. But the reason why I am blocking the name is because I want you guys to watch this video to the very end. Yes, I want you to watch it to the very end, because many people will get the name of this broker and they will go and get it on their own self. But I don't want this to happen, because once you miss your chance of following the processes, you will lose your account totally. Most of the no deposit bonus have been dropping recently. You must watch them to the very end, because if you don't watch them to the very end, there is high assurance that you won't be able to get them, and they are one time thing. Once you get them once, you won't be able to get them again. Your IP address would have been known to them that you've already tried to get it. Okay, so that is the reason why I want you to watch this video till the very end. And as you can see, this is the welcome bonus of $30. This is the welcome bonus of $30, and it is not a joke. It is not a joke. I just dropped a free $50 no deposit bonus yesterday, and it was great. It was really great, and I'm sure that we'll be getting our money. And also very soon I'll be dropping a free signal group for you guys, so that you can start making money without you even becoming an expert in forex trading. So if you know that you are interested in all of these things that I have just mentioned, a link will be available for you in the comment section and in the description of this video. Kindly go there, click on the link, and you have access to my total free things. Okay, so now let me guide you through how you can get your free $30 no deposit bonus. And I want you to remember that this is a free no deposit bonus. You don't have to deposit any amount. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end, so that you can understand the processes on how to get the free $30. If you don't understand the processes, you won't be able to get it. So now watch this video. Now, before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to like this video, share it with your friend, turn on your notification button, and comment in the comment section. And most importantly, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now, why should you subscribe? Subscribe to my YouTube channel because everything I am offering here is for free. I will give you how to make money in 2025, in 2026. In order for you to start making money, it is free. No deposit is required. I will show you different kind of ways for you to make money. I'll show you different kind of ways for you to get funded without you having to start with your own capital. I will show you how you can start trading forex accounts without you having to deposit a time. You are not even going to spend any money. So that is why you should subscribe. Now that you are done subscribing, as you can see, this is the name of the broker that we'll be using, and I've blurred it from you guys. As you can see, present a new year no deposit bonus for new traders who open an account during the promotional period. Try the global financial market without any risk. So advice to contact their live support to know more about the bonus. So for you to know more about this bonus, if you haven't know enough, all you have to do is to go to their customer care and make sure you ask them for more. Okay, so let me show you. As you can see, this is it, new year no deposit bonus, and what I will be showing you is how you can open a new trading account, how you can verify your identity, and how to request for the $30 USD credit bonus. All right, as you can see, this is it right here. No deposit is required. No deposit is required. You can use your trading platform F of MT4, MT5, and all other account. And as you can see, the account type is live. It is not a demo account. It is impossible. It is not a demo account. And these are the means of withdrawing. You can use this means to withdraw your money. And I want you to know that if you are not going to withdraw from this no deposit bonus, they wouldn't have been able to give you the means of withdrawing. Now, the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw from this no deposit bonus will be explained in this video. And if you don't watch this video, there is no way you will know that I will explain how you are going, the terms and conditions for you to be able to withdraw your profit. But let's dive into how to get it, into how to open a new trading account, how to verify your identity, how to request for it, and the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw from it. So all you have to do is for you to go to the link in the comment section and in the description of this video. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, you will see a link in my Telegram channel, because that is where I've been dropping money making updates and a lot of things that will be beneficial for you. So once you click on the link, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Okay, you'll be taken to an interface like this. So once you're taken to an interface like this, as you can see, this is the name of the app over here. So there are more informations that are here. These are the terms and conditions. Eligibility and account creation. To participate in this promotion, client must log in to the client area and select non-deposit account. Available account type. Each client is strictly limited to one account, one no deposit bonus account. You can open 2 accounts. All right. Promotional period. This promotion will commence on January 1st 2026 and will end on January 31, which means this bonus has a limited time and it will soon expire. Okay, bonus credits. Eligible client will receive a $30 USDT credited into their trading account. Trading is for this bonus is only for trading purpose and only cannot be withdrawn unless you trade. Okay, trading instruments. Trading under this promotion is permitted on Forex FX and contract for difference. All right, so this is what you can trade and these are the terms and conditions. Now let me show you how to get it. Now that we've talked about their terms and conditions, what you have to do right now is for you to go to your Chrome. Okay, go to your Chrome. Once you get to your Chrome, just type in the name of their platform, which is Emira's no deposit bonus. Emira's no deposit bonus. This is it. So just click on it. So just click on Emira's no deposit bonus, and once you click on it, once you get here, you can even see another terms and condition for you to be able to withdraw. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is $30 and the maximum withdrawal is $100. Withdrawals are not allowed only on profit. Only when you make profit can you be able to withdraw. Okay, only when you make profit. So what we are looking for right now is the link to get this. Is the link to get this Emira market. So let's type in Emira's market. Okay, Emira's login. So click on Emira's market login. Once you click on it, it will bring you to somewhere like this. Just click on login. Okay, click on login, and you have to be patient with this. Okay, you have to be very patient. Now being our first time, the first thing you have to do is for you to sign up. So click on this 3 line above here and wait for it to load. Okay, now as you have clicked on the 3 line above here, just click on welcome bonus. Click on welcome bonus. And once you click on welcome bonus, as you can see, this is our account over here. And you know what we are going to do next is for us to open an account. So just click on open an account. This is our $30 USD. Now for you to open an account, you have to click on register, because you haven't yet registered. So just click on register and wait for the interface to finish refreshing. Okay, so once you click on register, they'll ask for your title, whether you are Mr. or Mrs. So and enter your first name, your last name, your country, your phone number, your email, and click on this accept terms and condition. Okay, you can always watch this video if you forget the terms and condition, because the terms and condition are very important. Okay, so once you're done, just click on continue. Let me do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you click on continue, a code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is to go to your email and click on the code. Once you click on the code and you enter the pin, once you copy the pin, just come here and input the pin right here. So let's go to our email account right now. So once you get to your email account, just look for the pin. You'll see the pin, just copy the pin. As you can see, this is it, Emira's Market Limited. So the registration pin is right here. So just click here to verify your email. So once you click on it, as you can see, we have been logged in automatically. This is it right here. So this is where you have to pay full attention to what I will be showing you. This is where you have to this is where you have to pay full attention. So the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your ID. So just click on upload, and I want to upload your ID document. Just click on ID verification to choose the one you want to upload. So ID verification, enter your document, whether your NIN number or any number. So come down here, click on type, whether it is your NIN or your driver license number. Click on country. You can choose if you are from any country, you can choose enter your address, your city, your postal code, and once you get down here, enter the front of your document and the back of your document. Once you are done, click on upload. So click here to see what exactly is missing. So just click here to see what exactly is missing as we are told. So once you click here, they will bring you to this place. If there is anything you want to change, you can just change it right here. Okay, so now let me show you how to get your free $30 no deposit account. Once you have been able to verify your account, the next thing for you to do is for you to open a live account. Click on open a live account. Okay, so once you click on open a live account, once you click on this, you see this is it right here, bonus account. This is it, bonus account. But I feel like once you are done verifying your account and you come to this place, they will put no deposit bonus account, but you can also select bonus account. This is it, you can select a bonus account and click on continue. And the platform that you are going to be using to trade it is your MT5. Okay, your MT5 account. So just click on continue, and as you can see, this is it right here. This is your login details, and it would have been sent to your email. So now for you to be able to log in this your bonus account on your MT5, I will show you how you can do that shortly. But as you can see, if you have been verified and you go to the account interface or account space and you click on account, they might bring out no deposit bonus, or you might also click on the one I showed you right now. But once you are done verifying and they bring out no deposit bonus, just click on the no deposit bonus and you'll be credited. But right now, let's check whether we have been credited. But based on what we read earlier, they told us that we can get our $50 without verifying our account. Okay, that's what they told us. Now they won't be able to give us yet because we haven't messaged their customer and support center. So let's click on this earpods place, this microphone space. So let's find a way to message them. All right, let's find a way to message them. Just hold on. Okay, let's stay cool. So this is where you click on add ticket in order for you to be able to message them. So just click on add ticket, choose the category. You can choose deposit, or you can choose order. So you can choose order, you can just choose order. Okay, just choose order, or anyone you want, just choose order. And once you get to this place, just tell them the title of your problem is no deposit $30 no deposit account, $30 no deposit bonus. So once you come to this place, you tell them I have verified my account and I haven't received my $30 yet. This is my ID. So in order for you to get your ID, just go back to your account, hold on, let's go back to home, let's go back to where our account is. Just hold on a bit. Let's go back to where our account is. So just click on live account and it should bring out the account we created. Now let me show you how to get your ID so that you can input it together with the message you are going to send to them. Okay, so once you click on copy, as you can see, we've reached the maximum of account number. Okay, we've reached it. So you can go to your email to go and get the login ID because I told you the other time that it would have been sent to your email, so you can just come here to get it. So I don't know why the network is like this, but you can just come here to get it. Okay, so you'll see the login ID automatically, you'll see it yourself. So now input your login ID and send a message to them so that they can know. Okay, so just send the message to them so that they can know. Just click on submit. You can choose to add any files, but it is optional. It's not necessary. You can just choose if you want to. It's not optional. So once you're done, just click on submit, and once you come back, you'll be able to see your free $30 no deposit bonus. Thank you guys for watching. If you have been able to get yours, let me know in the comment section, and if you have not been able to get yours, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you personally. And make sure you tell me in the comment section, because I won't be responding to any messages in my DM. Thank you guys, I love you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys.